Hi friends, my name is Rince. I come from Kerala. I completed Python language with machine learning in Afitech. Here I am going to talk about the institution. Afitech is one of the best institutions in Bangalore for study in Python language with machine learning. The tutor is Rahul. He is an best tutor in this institution because of his child was awesome. The teaching method are similar to school level. When I was in Afitech, he gave daily practice. It helped to get jobs in companies level. I really recommend for this institution who want to learn more about machine learning with Python language. I really thanks to Rahul sir and all teaching members from Afitech. Thank you. I am really thanks to Afitech.